So I don't know if I ever reviewed this, but like I bought this like a year ago and it showed up and the SD card was no good. No matter what I did, it wouldn't work. And the company contacted them and they said, we'll just send you a damaged unit. You keep everything in it and it'll have another card in it. We're sorry. Well, I got the other one and it was like from Amazon Returns or something and there was nothing wrong with it. So I actually have two of these things. And what I'm trying to do today was I wanted to put one up on the wall over here, just kind of film everything. And see about... I want to enable the front display. This is kind of a cool camera in regards to the fact that it like has a front display. And I just can't figure it out. Alright, I haven't used it in about a year, so I don't remember how to set it up, but it's kind of like a little fake GoPro. It's a little bit better than the other kind of action cameras that you see. Like, the resolution's alright. It's not amazing. So, I was trying to see, hope the instructions are in here. So, this was actually a really good deal, but I probably could have used the money for something else. The problem with it is that, like, the audio on it's not great. So, the film's okay. Image stabilization's okay. It comes with just tons of accessories, and then, you know, that housing, and then, like, a remote thing. So, it's actually cool for that, but, no instructions as far as I know. I don't think there's any instructions on it. When I bought it, it was about $79 or something like that. And I bought it simply because of some guy's review of it on Amazon. Turned out he was just making money. So, yeah, what does it say? So, supports 8 megapixel, 13, 16, 20, and 24. But they have like this really sketchy like app on the phone that controls it with Wi-Fi, and I just don't trust it. But the battery, as a lot of the other action camera batteries, are all the same. But yeah, I mean, you know, if you don't want to buy a GoPro, you can buy one of these. And I used to use it on the motorcycle in case I crashed, which I did. The damn thing wasn't even on, but anyway. So, I've made videos with it before. It's not amazing. But, you know, I'm thinking maybe I might put it in the truck and have it in camera mode for the car. Put it on loop, or, it's got a mode that they call, let me pull it up. It's called... Oh, it's touchscreen, by the way, yeah. Where's it at? Okay, so we're in video. And it does have image stabilization. Where is it? Quality. ISO. POV middle. Okay. So in the settings, it's called Moto Kochi or something. Man, I'm not really 100% sure how it works, but let me start recording, and you just like I don't know what it does really. Honestly. But I wanted to turn the front camera on, man. Front screen, so I could put it on the wall and watch it and see what it's doing. But I can't seem to figure it out. I don't know what I'm doing.